A political storm is brewing over Haladia Padara overbridge in Berhampur as allegations surface that its design may have been altered to protect land owned by influential figures. Sanokhemundi Congress MLA Ramesh Jaina has claimed that the bridge alignment was deliberately modified to bypass land linked to former minister Surya Narayan Patra and a former Berhampur mayor, resulting in a curved structure that may have contributed to repeated fatal accidents. Legislator Jaina alleged that this deviation from a straight design compromised safety and led to multiple mishaps over the years. The controversy intensified after BJP MLA Siddhant Mahapatra also raised concerns, questioning how the overbridge was connected directly to a national highway and whether planning compromises were made. Both leaders have called for a detailed investigation into the bridge's design and the interests it may have served. Public anger has grown following a fatal crash earlier this year at Haladia Padar Square, where a truck moving on the wrong side had collided with multiple motorcycles, killing 5 people. The focus has now shifted to whether infrastructure planning failures or vested interests put public safety at risk.
एबे गोटे घटना नुह इन अनेक घटना से जगार घटी बीजेपी विधायक जो कहते से डायरेक्ट कही पारना पूर्वतन मंत्री जो थिले सूर्य पात्र तांके आ बरहमपुर मेयर जो थिले तांकर किछि जमी जाउची बोली से ब्रिज टी को बांकड़ा तांकड़ा करके बनवा निर्देश देते तो सही कारण जो अनेक थर से बहुत जनर जीवन गलानी किंतु बहुत कम्प्लेन साधारण लोकों द्वारा तापर पदक्षेप किसी नहीं ना सेटा निश्चय जो इंजीनियर ताको जो प्लान देते अंतर्भुक्त आणतु जे को सिस्टम रे करथिले आ कोन पे घटना घटुची सेठी मिनिमम 100-150 लोकर जीवन गलानी तापर तदंत हेबा दरकार ताको पुनरुद्धार करिया आवश्यकता रही।